How to change HDFC NetBanking password. First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at www.hdfcbank.com. On the home page, click the login button in the top right corner and select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. After the Net Banking login page loads, enter your customer ID and current IPIN password, then click Login. Once you are logged in, look for the My Profile or Settings option in the dashboard menu. Then, select Change IPIN or Change Password from the available options. Now, enter your current IPIN followed by the new password you want to set. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the required field. After filling in all details correctly, submit the form to update your password. You will receive confirmation message that your password has been successfully changed. Finally, log out and log in again with your new IPIN to ensure everything is working properly. And that's it. Now you know how to change your HDFC NetBanking password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.